Do it again, Channing. She just threw her phone down. Look at Channing Tatum. Oh my God! Get it, come on! That shit was fun. Come on, Channing. Do it, Channing. Get it.
Oh, I'm gonna break this door.
We don't want you to do that. Do some more push-up. You still gonna break the door. Yeah. Look at this nut bucket. Get out the door! Get out the door! Oops! Get off the... Get down, Channing!
Get it, boy!
This little idiot, man. Look at this man.
I'm back here.
Look at this, bro. Oh my God. I can't take it. Look at it. That is the best. Wait a minute. I gotta go into the club.
Oh my God.
Hit him. Get it. Go. That's what threw her phone down. This what threw her.
Oh, wait, let me be cheating.
Wait a minute. Wait, open. Watch this, look.
Quit opening that door.
He opened the door for the music. Look at this one.
Do it.
Yeah, that hurts. I don't know how you did that.
Yeah.
I don't even know what you did.
Watch it. Wait, that's a... Oh, look, those people up there. I didn't even see them.
Yeah, that's what I was like. Really laughing.
What club is that?
That's at the hotel.
I dropped some people off there last night. Apartment. I thought, oh my gosh. Y'all have worn me out.
Hey, we got a good idea.
I would try it, but I don't even
Gotta wait till the chorus though.
Okay.